Hello dear children. Today in this video we are going to complete some important extra questions of the poem Rain on the Roof. Question number 1 is, what is the setting of the poem? The poem is lying comfortably sung in his bed with his head pressed against the pillow in a room in his cottage, listening to the patter of the soft rain as it falls on the shingles of the roof. Question number 2. How old do you think the poet is? Justify your answer. The poet is a young man. He remembers his mother looking down at him and his siblings who are sleeping in their room long ago. The poet's mother also is no longer alive, as he says she lives on in his memories. Question number 3. How does the sky look before the rain falls? Before the rain falls, the weather turns humid and great dark clouds gather in the sky. They cover the stars and spread darkness. The poet feels these dark clouds are gloomy and melancholy. To the poet, the darkness spells despondence and gloom as the clouds' humid shadows weep gentle tears that fall as rain. Question number 4 is, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. Explain the phrase melancholy darkness. What does it do? Melancholy darkness refers to the dark rain bearing clouds. The poet imagines that the clouds covering the sky are gloomy and depressed because they are heavy and grey. The poet further imagines that the clouds are weeping and their tears are falling down as raindrops. Question number 5 is, what is a bliss for the poet in the poem Rain on the Roof? The poet thinks it is blissful to lie in his cozy bed with his head on the pillow and listen to the sound of rain falling on the shingles of the roof. He enjoys the music of nature, which arouses fantasies and memories in his mind. Question number 6 is, what does the poet like to do when it rains? The poet likes to lie in his room in his cottage, snug in bed with his head on the pillow when it rains. It gives him the greatest pleasure. Question number 7 is, what feelings does the falling rain arouse in the poet in the poem Rain on the Roof? The poet first describes the falling rain as the tears of the dark gloomy clouds. However, as he lies snug in his bed, listening to the patter of rain on the shingles, the sound provides him immense pleasure and he is lost in fantasies and memories. Question number 8. What are the poet's feelings as the rain falls on the shingles? As the rain falls on the shingles, its tinkling sound creates an echo in the poet's heart. As he listens to the patter of the raindrops on the roof, his gloom is lifted and his heart is filled with 1,000 fantasies and fond memories of his mother. When do the 1,000 dreamy fancies begin to weave in the poet's mind? What are these fancies? When the poet is in his cottage and lies in his cozy bed listening to the soft music of rain on the roof, his mind is flooded with various thoughts and imaginations. These fancies or imagery, thoughts, and ideas spin thread of bright, fanciful colors in his mind. And last but not the least, 10th question is, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy heart. When do the 1,000 dreamy fancies begin in the poet's heart? When the poet is in his cottage and lies in his cozy bed listening to the soft music of rain on the roof, his mind is flooded with various thoughts and imaginations. The soothing sound of the gentle rain on the shingles fries his imagination. Now, dear children, all of you can have a look of all the question answers which will help you to complete your task.